back to Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now I would say Jamaica gone to the dogs, but that would be offensive to dogs. I'm charged. All 2021. See, of course, you know me I got to talk about already. We're going to first address what we hear happened to her. And in this video, we'll get real tense. So, if you don't have on your helmet and your vest, I suggest you take cover because even you might get caught in the crossfire. You know, today is one of my long time Patreon birthdays. Promise me to give him a shout out. Right? Happy birthday, El Stola. Unfortunately, bro, your birthday dropped on the day when, well, as I can tell, madness. But hopefully have a great day. Right? Live long and prosper and stay away from these acidic trolls who seek to destroy our nation. Big up yourself, bro. We could talk about the case now. We could talk about the young lady, Khanice Jackson. Went missing from a bus stop. Right. Then, as you know in Jamaica, often the case is the worst type of news. Either the person no return ever again, or them find in the state where them found Khanice Jackson. As usual, it boiled down to man and woman thing, man and look woman and woman and reject man and all them things. I'm not even going to get into the details because that's besides the point. How much time when you see me come on this platform and talk to the men of Jamaica? I'm telling you, so we have a serious problem in our culture. See, you can get upset all you want about cases like this, but unless we look at what is causing the cases, it's not ever better. One, they get emotional every 2-3 weeks, because there will be another Khanice Jackson soon and very soon. The culture of entitlement, that enough purposeless, estrogen-filled, scarcity mindset, G-Clowna virus having Jamaican men have. Entitlement culture. The idea that this woman should do this and she belong to me, and if me can't get her, nobody can get her. Weak and pathetic. How much time I have to talk to them? Man, I'm not here. We could talk about entitlement. The culture will tell you, say, oh, if you give a woman this or you do this for her, that means they say you entitled to this and you somehow own, and if she not do this, you can go. Tell you, say nothing no go so. The foolishness on here about, oh, if a girl not do this is all they hear in Jamaican culture. If me give a girl this or everything a girl. If me give a girl and give me this, me kill a girl. If a girl ever go like she want left me, see, when you talk like that, when you think that's masculine, when you think that's your testosterone, that's estrogen talking, bro. You're a simp. That's a scarcity mindset talking. You don't own nobody. No found a girl don't even own herself, and not control over her own life. And that's facts. Just a walking symbol of underachievement, and you think you can control somebody else. The men of Jamaica, from them young until now, have been taught rubbish when it relates to man and woman affairs. They don't know because them grew up being taught by other dummies on the corner who themselves don't know nothing. Who tell them, say, if this happen, if you give a woman this, if you do this for her, or she don't do this, then they can't do this to her. This is culture at work here. Or you police this. You think the police can stop this? How do you police something like this? They can't police the G-Clowna virus. It's driven by culture. Entitlement culture. For years, Jamaican men have been hearing all them. Jamaican man are the biggest gallus lie. Rubbish. Frauds. Because when them now fight and kill a next man, your woman, them a fight and kill the woman themselves. No matter how much money a Jamaican, no matter how much money some Jamaican man get, no matter how successful they are, even if them have 20 women in them harem, if one out of the 20 left them, or one out of the 20 reject them, them either want to go fight the next man to get her, or fight and kill the woman. Clown culture. Pathetic. No purpose. A man with a purpose can't do something like this. No man with no visions and a goal in life can't do purpose like this. But this is what happens when young men are taught from the day they're born to do nothing else in their life but worship what women are between them foot. So that's as far as for them life goes. So if them see that woman and them like her and they can't get her, or them have her and she left them, well, life come to a standstill. She have to lose for her life, and then me have to go arise and for the next 30 years now, because this is life. So we can look on the culture, or we can look on the individual cases and make up be nice every time an individual case happens. And I know we are condemn them things, this attitude and this culture. How much time we see women lose them life for this? I'm telling you, I don't care about the reason. Because people love come tell you, then Sirpy, me hear she give the man did give her 2 million, and Sirpy suppose she give the man, but Sirpy, and always have a excuse, and always have a reason why, as if that make no difference. Too much estrogen, dog. Too emotional, too impulsive. And if you realize enough, you look like enough Jamaican man have even more estrogen than woman them. Highly impulsive. Because when you look at the people who do things like this, enough of them are on a track record of this. They just go buck up in a woman that them very attracted to, and things don't go for them way, and then boom, the impulsiveness jump out of them and they end up on the news. Jamaican men, we have to do better than this. You have to do better than this. We don't want to hear what the man over there do, and we don't want to hear the man in the country do. We have to look on ourselves. Get a grip of self. This is one of the reasons why it's very rare you find people in Jamaica, even women in Jamaica, looking at men and acknowledging them as that man is a leader. This is why there's a seismic shift in Jamaican society, where you will see women are now dominating certain spaces. Women are now taking charge of certain things, because let's face it, enough of the men are weak. I'm not talking about physical weakness. Too busy chasing the next skirt tail. Too busy trying to add to them baby mother count. Meanwhile, women are run past them. And then the male ego chip in, or you think you're a girl. And you think that makes you a man. You think that makes you masculine. I'm here to tell you, you're a fraud. I don't care what your favorite entertainer tell you. Right? I don't care how much song you listen to, how much show you watch. Me I tell you, say, this attitude, this culture, this mindset, right, it's pathetic. Run up and down back a woman all day and try, hey girl, if a girl ever give you the thing, you're pathetic, bro. Somebody have to tell you. Now Wasteman, dog. Next set of people more address. Let me talk to the kerosene them. Let me talk to the woman them who love to tell we say the holy man, no man can't talk to them unless them a killer. No man, if a man no gun man in can, and if a man no lock, and if all the bad man, all the wicked man, let me talk to you. Come to the front of the classroom. We don't believe you. You see all around the kerosene up on social media now, I pour out on the art and I talk about, we condemn violence, stop the violence. Fraud. Big time fraud. Somebody have to tell Uno too. You shield, aid, abet, nurture, and protect the men who do things like this. Your favorite 87, 90, 116 carry out acts like this on the daily, and you don't have nothing to say unless it blow up in the news. You don't know how much females get drawn away and killed in Jamaica. Check the stats. You don't know how much girls in the inner city communities, your favorite Dan and your favorite gunman them send for and make little girl lose them innocence, and then you go lie down with them. And then now, because this case blow up, you want to come lead the charge again. Shut up, you're a fraud. I need some Pepto-Bismol, man. Because kerosene pretending to be woke upset my stomach. But no honest, no one against crime and violence. 3-day story this, it won't last until Monday. Go right back to what you truly are. You love this culture. You love the death and destruction. You love the acidity. Why am I so emotional about this case? Why? Because she's pretty? Why all the kerosene? But then me not ready to get to the fake woke experts I'm telling them. But why? I'm telling you why enough kerosene. The same woman them who telling you say, right? Them no want them unless them kill people. I'ma do this. I'm hard tough like too. And I'm tell you why them are going so, because this case is relatable. And you understand what I go? This case is relatable. The same wretched kerosene, when them look upon Khanice Jackson, them see themselves. Them see somebody who could have been them. Because them's alright, 20-year-old, go work, see me man look her, man look them, so they must say, right, it could be me. So now them get woke. They don't care about Khanice Jackson. This is self-interest. When them say stop the crime now, they mean stop it before it happen to them too. And business more nobody. When really I make kerosene, we fight tooth and nail on social media every day and in daily life to protect, right? Some of the most brutish men in the country. Men who draw away, take off how much woman head, fling her head in a real Kobe River. Una make them lead the charge and tell them say them business about crime and sorry for Khanice Jackson. Lies. Self-interest. Them sister hold on. So at this when therapy say it might turn up on the doorstep, at this it mean? Yes, this is exactly what I mean. You can relate to her, right? She's young, attractive, right? Go work, you can relate to them things. It's not so funny now, is it? Right. So just do a little pretending for the next 2-3 days. You can quote them and you post them online, and then Monday morning go right back to being what you truly are. Get out of my face and hit the dislike button while you're at it. We could talk about the fake woke activists. So the people of Jamaica are going to stand by and make the same puppets and agents, right, who push, promote and normalize this kind of brutality lead the charge. In this case, fake woke. People of Jamaica are going to stand by and watch, right, the same agents of chaos, death and destruction lead the charge against Khanice Jackson. 3-day story this by Monday morning in the business again. How come all of a sudden you feel entertaining them so passionate about that case, sir? Oh, because she's attractive and she probably remind them of one of them side chick. Maybe. 1,300 people dead in Jamaica every year. Every single year. Man, woman, pitney, baby pan breast, where them there? Nowhere to be found. So them a jump up for Khanice Jackson. Where them get righteous overnight? Then get woke overnight? When the boy them go up a trial height with the 81-year-old, 6 and 10-year-old, where them did they? I'm listening. Where them did they? What your problem, dog? I guess they kill him. You happy to kill him on the man and pitney? Oh, a joke can I make? Or just words? Okay. Okay. Wanna make for sure how out of touch, right? These low IQ fake activists are. Them say stupid things that Jamaica get out of hand now. Get out of hand now. Jamaica been get out of hand. We mean get out of hand now. That shows them don't even know what go on in the country. They live in a bubble. They live in a bubble. Get out of hand now? What they mean that you talk about? Get out of hand now? In 2004, there were 1,471 murders in Jamaica. The year after that, there were 1,674. What do you mean get out of hand now? All them so passionate all of a sudden. But I thought people love crime and violence. No? This is the manifestation of the culture I want to love. Or is it that over 365 days, there's like 5 cases where on a boss them telling us to pick out them 5 cases and get passionate about? Because we know they're agents. I'm curious. Is there some kind of quota we have to meet every year? 3-4 cases? Go on like a passionate about them cases. I don't understand what's going on. There will be another Khanice Jackson very, very soon. This is not a unique case. And as sad as it may be, as tragic as our case is, murder look on the factory who produce the car, then get vexed with the car. And Jamaica's culture is the factory we produce this type of end result. So I'm just putting it out there. You notice, me not spend the time going and oh, she did say this and him did say that. That is beside the point completely. I mean, I want a man tell me what she did say, and oh, you know she never, and my ear say she did, because that's the next thing Jamaican people love. Them love find every reason why the victim did for dead. Then oh, you know she never take the, like the last time where the woman said, then she take the man money. Them always have some reason why the woman for dead. But 87 must get every chance, 90 must get every chance, 160 must get, them favorite criminal must get every chance. When police lick them down, them say, then no matter what him do, them should have carry me in. But when them see woman like Khanice Jackson dead, them say then she must do something why it come. Highly acidic and brutish nation. Brutish. So just prepare yourself for the next 2-3 days max. If you see the public go on like say them against crime and violence. If you see the same agents who help sow the seeds and call down anybody who call out and burn out the crime and violence, now take it over and turn woke activists. With a bunch of highly emotional posts, right, that really and truly not even say nothing. Sit back and watch them for the next 2-3 days. Just like with the Jasmine Dean case. Only remember how people is so passionate about Jasmine Dean. Here's a test. Google protest in Bulbia, then Google Jasmine Dean protest and then count the amount of people. Where you see at each. When 87 did a bull bear, people turn out come Black Road. They on YouTube, they all over, go look for it for yourself. About 4 or 5 people turn up for the Jasmine Dean protest in the same bull bear. Why them not come because they say fear? What do you mean, what kind of fear? Or bull bear people have fear? Fear for what? If only can protest police, which according to the narrative, the JCF is the biggest, right, most evil machine in the country. Okay, make a work with that. If police is the wickedest thing in the country and the Jamaican people are so afraid of police, why can they gather the strength to go protest against police, but cannot gather the strength to go stand up next to Jasmine Dean family and hold up one sign? What are you afraid of? 87 and 90s and 116s should be the lesser evil, because police are the ultimate evil, right? Remember? When you hate police? When you're afraid of police? But they can gather the strength to protest against the biggest monster of them all, but you can't gather the strength to protest against criminals. How would that work? Break that down for me now. So the police is Mike Tyson, right? And criminals in Jamaica, right, are Mr. Bean. Right? You can get the strength to go protest against Mike Tyson, but you're afraid of Mr. Bean. We don't believe you. You know full well, saying you're afraid of the police. You know full well, right, who you're really afraid of. Right? But have to push the narrative because it sells. It works. That's how you get woke points. By the time the Jasmine Dean protest, the favorite celebs them will lead the charge, but them did there. Because me see enough of them run gone out at the US Embassy. Can protest who are going to foreign. Alright, no problem. Protest that, but go on and Jasmine Dean too. If only can show on the strength. Let me tell you what go on. It's all about waves and trends. The incident of foreign did so big, and there was so much woke points to be get out fight that man have to go show them face outside the US Embassy. But by the time the Jasmine Dean protest come out, the hype the dead down. So hey, I'm not gonna waste my time go there. So not much woke points, not that no. Only there. I mean, I don't love her so much, right? People ask the question, where is Jasmine Dean? Where is the other 500 odd people that go missing at Jamaica every year? When you really want to know what happened to Jasmine Dean and what happened to Khanice Jackson, when you want to know, ask on the son. The same criminal son on the Lord protect. And come ball upon TV, ask your brother. You know the brother won't come tell me say, you can guarantee he's not a criminal. Remember that brother there? Ask him. Ask your baby father. I them I take with them woman here. When we do the video talking about the taxi man them would go around with the help of another woman, sit down in the car, so when a woman stand up at the bus stop or the taxi stand and see a car come with a woman night, she feels safe because she say, oh, another woman at the car. Then time there is a kerosene working with the criminal them, who then take with the woman them, do all kind of things to them and fling them in a bush. When I did that video, I say, you know what? Pepper spray, I forget free up. Because these wretched kerosenes are now working with these brutish 87s. They're now working with these crooked thieves. They're now working with these high-level 116s who are carry out these big-time human trafficking operations. So you know what? Since we can't even rely upon the woman them for not work with criminals, for take with other women, bring out pepper spray. Free up the pepper spray. Give Jamaican women, everybody, but women in particular, they are at least a fighting chance. Pepper spray is non-lethal. The worst they can do, if somebody misuse it, charge them, right? And it done this. But free it up. Woman supposed to get walk in our shop and buy a pepper spray and walk out. The odds of a woman, see, enough people, I understand enough people have never been pepper sprayed in their life. I've been pepper sprayed, I've been gassed, right? Trust me, no matter how tough you are, stop in your tracks. A little 5'3", 130-pound woman stand very little chance against a man who try to take her away. Give them a fighting chance. Ask your favorite leaders from the PNP and the JLP say, free up the thing. I mean, they love you, right? They care about you. Every election, when you jump up and down and run up and down for them, right? You can ask a little favor. But as I said, this is nothing more than a 3-day story. 3-day story. Stop the crime and violence. We don't believe you. You need more people. Jamaica is acidic from the top to the very bottom. You're talking about a culture who shame the people and who try to work with the police. You get man like them off of the streets. If somebody pick up the phone and call the police officer and say, "Messi," in Jamaican culture, them people, that's the bad guy. The man who tell the police the info. The law-abiding citizen who see Khanice Jackson get there and call the police, that's the bad guy. That's who we must shame. But you got the bad man from Rona, so even though when him go in a station, him give way more info anyway. Brace on yourself for another 1300 plus year. It's been 20 years. 20 years and Jamaica has not touch on the 1,000 murder. Is either the country can't do it or we don't want to do it. A country like Rwanda that has lost 500,000 people, over 500,000 people, in 100 days can recover to have one of the lowest murder rates in the world and grew at 8-9%, and Jamaica that has never seen anything similar can't do it. Culture is rotten to the core. Rotten to the core. Oh, sorry, I apologize. See, the youth who do this to Khanice Jackson, if only they'd have more money. That's what he needed, more money. See, sometimes I ask myself, why bother? And sometimes the thought comes to my mind, you know what? People are a bunch of LIQs. It's too late for them. Forget this nonsense. Wasting my time. But then I remember Tradiga Park and what happened. And I remember Charmaine Rattrick and Joyce Lynch. And I remember the many Jamaicans who have lost their lives to senseless violence, and we say, no, keep going. So I keep going. I'm prepared to die on this hill. The culture we want to think cool and idolize, and when you can't keep it, me stay over here, sir. Me stay up on a lucky hill and me dead there, sir. Or if me the last man left. I don't want nothing to do with the acidity, I don't want nothing to do with the way I want to look my life and treat. Like, stay over there, sir. But mark a look at hill as mine, I'm ready for dead upon it. The land of wood, water, and underachievement. Patreon squad, we open yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad. Stay circling, stay roaming. That's all you can do. Bless.